Hello, this video is a demonstration of Cloud's Brain container for ACK ACR service. Go to the Cloud's Brain URL. Enter the login credentials. After successful login, go to Containers. Click on Cluster Provisioning. Select Create Cluster. Here, I am choosing Alibaba as cloud provider. Give cluster name. Select region. Select VPC. Select vSwitches. Click on Next button. Here, select type. Click on Next button. Select instance type. Click on Next button. Select pods on each node. Click on Create Cluster. Now, go to Management. Here, it will show number of deployments and number of jobs. Now, go to Deployment. Select YAML. Enter the YAML code here. Click on Upload button. Again, enter the YAML code here. Click on Upload button. Now, go to Management tab. It will show the increased number of deployments and job. Click on Deployment tab. It will fetch the deployment details. Click on 3 dots at right-hand side of name. You can also delete the created cluster. Now click on From Git. Click on Create New Image. A pop-up page of Shift M appear. Provide builder image name, Git repository URL, target repository type, image registry, new image name, tag name, image repository username, image repository password, select private, provide Git repository username, Git repository password, and click on Submit button. Now, go to Containers. Select Registry Provisioning. Click on 3 dots at right-hand side. Select View Repository. Click on 3 dots at right-hand side. Select Tag. Tag Details dashboard appear. User can also delete by simply choosing Delete tab. Now click on Repositories Details. Select Address. It will show the details. Now, again go to Containers. Select Registry Provisioning. Click on Create Namespace. Select Cloud Provider. Provider name. Give namespace. Click on Confirm button. When namespace created successfully, click on 3 dots. Select Modify. You can modify it. Click OK. Also, you can view repository. Click on Create Repository. Select Cloud Provider. Provider name, region, namespace. Give repository name. Give summary. Give description. Click OK. Repository created successfully. Click on repository address to see its detail. For more updates on upcoming videos, stay tuned with Click2Cloud.com.